Big thanks to Mudgee Meat for supplying the product for this video.
Feel the day going downhill post my first sip. Lucky I got my exercise in. Fucking hell.
I'm a bit tired actually, Yazzo.
You're a bit puffy.
A bit tired.
You're a bit puffy around just at a T-zone.
I was doing my cover band thing last night, people, and it was a pretty big night and I feel a little bit weary. But I am excited because, stand by. I'm excited because I indicated a little while ago, or I teased on the Instagram machine that we had an exciting partnership coming, and finally it is here. Over here. Look at that.
It's upside down.
Upside down. Right way up. We have partnered with the awesome crew at Mudgee Meat, who are an online meat supplier in the New South Wales Tablelands. Started in 2012, Michael and Carolyn. Started the business in 2012 as Mudgee Lamb. Rebranded a little while later to Mudgee Meat because they don't just sell lamb anymore. Paddock-raised pork, RSPCA-approved chicken, grass-fed beef and lamb. Did I say grass-fed? I think I did.
I thought I was going to let it go.
Delivered to your door, people. Delivered to your door. So we're going to get on board the whole discount code thing, and it's going to be a bonus for you guys. And we're going to be cooking a series of dishes using their amazing products. So this morning, while I was in my robe, I went outside and met a very surprised delivery person on my front porch, looking like Hugh freaking Hefner. And here we are. So look at this. They come in insulated foil boxes. I've just taken the blue strapping off. They come the plastic blue strapping, and we're going to open this up now, and we're going to see what's inside, shall we? Oh, look at that, Yazzo. Lovely little wool insulator. That's very nice. Very lovely packaging, you guys. I like it. Let's see what we've got in here. I already know what's coming. I'm pretending that I don't because we've devised a whole bunch
and you're doing a really bad job. Ooh. Ooh.
We've already devised a whole bunch of recipes, so I'm pretending. Some lovely lamb cutlets. Oh, lovely marbled lamb cutlets as well. Beautiful. Lamb rib chops for my American friends. That over there. We have some organic beef cheeks. I'm smelling Kamado Joe style stuff there, Yazzo, I think.
More smoker.
Some, look at the marbling on this rump steak. Some lovely rump steak here. A couple of those, 3 of those, 4 of those, a pile of them. Pop those down there. Look at that.
Oh, you're on my business.
We have some pork cutlets, bone-in pork cutlets.
Oh, I like those.
Oh, I like those too. I thought I had another, maybe they're in the other box. Some ground pork, beautifully marbled ground pork as well. We have some lamb shoulders. Oh, what could Geoff the chef do with a lamb shoulder, people? I think I know.
Oh, look, you can hang that tag back there on your door. Got meat? And you just, you can say yes.
No, it's a magnet. It can go on the
meat.
fridge. It can go on the fridge. There we go.
I was trying to be crude and you didn't pick it up. You didn't pick up what I was putting down. You could hang it off your pants, babe.
I always pick up what you put down. All right, chuck that down there.
Look at that pile of...
What else do we have in here? Oh, let's have a look. Oh, there's my other... So I thought I got stooged, but I didn't get stooged. Of course,
You're
I didn't
the
get stooged. Another pack of pork loin chops. Got some lovely pork bangers.
Holy moly, they're massive.
They are massive. I'm liking it.
There you go. Put the magnet on there. That's got
Some
meat.
jalapeno and cheese bangers.
Yum.
Lovely. And then we've got merch, people. I smell giveaways coming. Couple of lovely t-shirts. I have a butcher's apron. I have a feeling that's staying in this house. I don't think I'm giving you guys that one. I've just decided. Oh, another lovely apron. Maybe you might get one of them. We have some seasonings. Oh, very nice. And what's in here, I wonder? As he, again, pretends that he doesn't know what's in the box.
Very bad.
Let's cut this open and see what Maddie has
You're
sent
right,
me.
though. The packaging is just
It's
done
so
nicely.
Honestly, it's so nicely packaged. I'm very impressed. Whoa. I'm very impressed, you guys. And I can tell you right now that I'm not giving this away. Goodness me.
It's like a samurai.
It's a lovely slicer and a cheeky little boning knife. Now these are, you can pick these up online from Mudgee Meat. So we'll pop those there.
Pretty.
So that's it, guys. So over the coming weeks, I'm going to use all of this lovely produce. And we're going to cook some lovely dinners, and you guys are going to get some discount codes, and the benefits are all yours, basically. So keep watching. The videos will be quite regular. As I sit down, a bit stabby. I'm very excited. We're going to be releasing videos way more regularly than we usually do on a 2-week cycle. We're going to pull our fingers out of our bums. So a lot of content coming your way, and I'm very, very excited to cook some amazing dishes with this meat. Can't wait, Yazzo. And then what are you doing?
Just to get you and all of your meat in the food.
So more details coming soon. Very, very happy and very excited to get started. We'll see you all very soon. Cheers.